So this is heart number 4, and we're going to do a kriya called Conquering Your Imagined Disabilities. So we'll start with the hands going this way, and as the hands come in, you bring them into a fist, and when the hands come here, they're with the fingers spread wide. So we go this way. So you exhale when you close the hands into a fist, inhale and the hands go wide and open. 3 minutes. Powerful breath, give it your best shot. Accelerate. Keep the wrist twisting. Keep the action powerful. Keep breathing powerfully. Accelerate now, faster. Inhale deep and press your elbows into your side, squeeze your hands tight into fists, pull up on the root lock, squeeze tight, exhale, inhale, same thing again, pull the navel in, root lock on, squeeze tight. Hold it. Tongue up, eyes up. Tighter. Exhale. Inhale deep last time. Pull up. Tighten, tight. And exhale. So we're just going 3 minutes with each of these exercises. We've got 2 more to do, and we're going to do this holding action at the end, so listen for that instruction. So this time we're going to have the hands slightly cupped, and we're going to push out this way as though pushing something away from you, and you're going to do the same breath with them. You really have to attack the action. Lock out your elbows each time. Satnam, 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 Satnam. Keep the maximum pace up that you can manage. Okay, not long now. Press, press, press. Open the elbows each time. You can do it. Keep up. Almost there now. Last few seconds, now go wild. Inhale, one arm out. Pull the other back and push. Palm flat now. Hold it, root lock, press. Exhale. Inhale, other arm out. Through the mouth. Press. Exhale. Last time, inhale deep. Maximum stretch. And exhale. Very good. Let the breath come however it's coming. Moving a lot of psychic energy as well. It's never just a physical exercise with Kundalini yoga. So we're going to do this now, last exercise. And just as though you had two little hurricanes in your arms and you're just stirring it up this way. You create enough motion in your arms that you're bouncing on the spot, more or less, yeah? Bringing the energy up through the spine. Open the fingers a little bit more now. Not totally wide, but just not closed, so you feel some air between your fingers as well. Keep clearing energy in your mind. This is clearing your mind so you can see the way ahead. Okay, so you can stop feeling a victim. Victory, victory, victory. Keep saying that in your mind. Put your energy behind it. Whatever you put into Kundalini Yoga, you get out tenfold. Get the shoulders to move. Lots of energy stuck in the shoulder blades. Last bit now. Bring the speed up. Breathe deep. Ten seconds. Inhale. Back into your side, arms into fists. Stick the tongue out, maximum stretch it out. Bring up your face, jaw open, mouth open, squeeze up the eyes. Inhale. Let's do it again. Squeeze up nice and tight. Get this tension and stress out of your body. Pull down on your shoulders. Tuck your elbows close into your sides. Inhale, tight. Pull up on the root lock. Go on. Do it one more time. Tight, tight, tightest. Let's go. Inhale, tongue out, maximum stretch. Let's go. And exhale. Salam.